back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. This one is a little bit different. It is a part-time, only 2 to 10 hours a week, so it is one of those side hustles that you can work into if you have a full-time job, something just to make a little bit of extra money on the side. But the staffing and talent agency Aquent Talent is looking for a marketing proofreader. Now, this is a freelance 1099 position. Right off the bat, let's start off with pay. They are paying $25 an hour, all the way up to $29.33 an hour for this part-time side hustle job. So it's a great little side extra money for only a few hours a week. But they are looking for a proofreading expert to support their creative services as a freelance proofreader. So what this means is you'll proofread and edit copy to be compliant with their personal editorial guidelines. You'll style the guides to be effective communication of their brand, messaging, and position. So you'll have to review the documents for correct grammar, spelling, and style. You will also have to fact check and cross-reference dates or other statements to make sure that they are accurate. You'll implement any due diligence checks to make sure that links that are linked do go to the correct websites, videos do actually play, things like that. So it's checking the overall content to make sure it is all correct. Now, they are looking for someone who has a bachelor degree in English, journalism, or some kind of a related field, someone who has 2 years of experience in proofreading with marketing materials, someone who is detail-oriented and great at grammar. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. You can include any education and experience that you have. Even if I'm not always responding, I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.